Hola chicos, it is Miss Powell. I hope that everyone has had a fantastic weekend and that if you are into watching football and watch the Super Bowl, that the team you were rooting for has won. I do know I just checked out the score of the game and was surprised to see who was winning and the score difference. So here are some announcements for this week. First, you can see that Unit 2 has been posted since last Wednesday, and the due date for Unit 2 is going to be the 10th of February. So please keep that in mind. Also, please be sure that you're taking a look at your progress reports or your grades. Any assignments that have an INC next to it stand for that incomplete, and you must do those prior to moving on to the next unit. Unit 3 is going to be activated so that if you are moving forward and ahead, you can plan to do so. I know that many of you have signed up for the Remind app for the extra credit. If you haven't done so yet, which there pretty much are, most of the students within your class have already done this, but if you would still like to sign up for the Remind app in order to receive some messages from me, please know that you can still do that. I would check your inbox for the message that I sent a little over a week ago, and I will be using that to kind of send out reminders through, it acts as a text message. So keep that in mind that you can still do that. And please feel free to reach out to me if you need any help at all. And I look forward to this week. Adios.